In this section, we can take a look at installing a printer using Windows XP. Now, when you buy a printer nowadays, almost all of them come with installation of the CD-ROM that will install the necessary print driver for you. In most of them, they have automatically started to install the printer when you insert the CD. Now, in our section, when I insert a CD, it automatically installs the printer on my PC. Now it automatically checks that this printer is installed on it or not. If not, then detect your printer and start installation. We see to that on the click on the printer link, and there's another printer installed on it, so that can be shared. If you don't have any CD, then you can either also go to the internet, and since I have a LaserJet printer, I will go to www.laserjet.com. But right now there's no need for that as I have the CD. Open your print folder again. You see here the black arrow with this printer that shows that by default this printer is selected. Right click on it, choose preferences. You can see there's a whole bunch to working with the papers. I can share the printer across the network if I click on it and choose properties. You can test a page from here and see if your printer is working properly. It depends on the type of printer that you choose and speed of printing. Now when your page is printed properly, you can click on OK. You can delete the printer within Windows XP. That settles it for the printer.